Welcome to Sequestered Signing. It is week 8, day 3. This week's theme is outdoors. The last 2 days we did things that you find outside. Today we're going to talk about continents and such like that. Continents and countries, okay? So remember, after this, head to the practice prompt at ASL Rochelle on my Instagram account so you can get the list of signs you've learned as well as the practice prompt. And if you've missed any of the days, you can find the days that you've missed there and catch up. Okay. So first we're going to do the continents, the 7 continents, okay? So the first one is North America. So first you sign north, the sign for north, and is your in hand shape, palm out, start here and then push up, north. Like if you're looking at a compass rose on a piece of paper, north, okay, North America. So America is your 5 hand shapes. Interlace the fingers together so your fingers are sticking out. They're not in, they're out like this. And you stir around. So it's like a melting pot of lots of people coming together and you stir them around, okay? So North America. Now, South America is the exact same except for now we're signing south and then adding America. So start with your S hand shape and push down a little bit. South America. So North America, South America. Okay. Europe is your E hand shape, dominant hand, and you're going to circle by your head. Europe. So my E is facing my head and I'm doing a circle. I'm not touching my head, I'm just outside of my head. My hair is like poofy, so it's hard to tell that I'm not touching my head, but I'm not. I'm not even touching my hair. Europe, okay. Asia is a fun sign. So it's a combination of A and area, okay? So remember, area is like this, and A is here. So we're starting our A, and we're gonna go. So we're circling our A. Here, let me scooch over so we can get this better. Asia, Asia. So you're showing, because Asia is huge. If you see a map, it's huge, right? So we're showing how big it is. We're doing A, area, Asia, Asia, Asia. Okay? Africa. Africa is super fun to sign. It might take a little bit of coordination. So you're going to first start here in this. It's not quite a flat O. It's a flat O in the sense that your finger and your thumb are joined together, but the rest of them are kind of out. So what you need to know is the ultimate goal is you're tracing the shape of the continent of Africa, right? So it's here, and then it comes out bigger, and then it comes down to a point, right? So we're doing that with this hand instead. So we're going here, fanning out, and coming down, okay? So get the shape of Africa in your mind, okay? And this camera, as you're watching, it might look like it's flipped. I don't know if it's mirrored or not here for you. This is my right hand, and I'm going out to my right. So I'm here. Remember, this is part of Africa here, and we're going out. So now we're showing the big part of it, and now so I'm leaving my thumb here, and I'm twisting my wrist to go down to the tip. Okay? Africa, Africa. Okay? Give that a try. Try not to get too stressed about it, okay? Ultimately, you want to show the shape of it. Your hand is formed here. It's loose and open here, and it's pointed down here. And your hands are at a different angle. Here, out, down, okay? So that helps. Boom, boom. So practice it. Be gentle with yourself and don't hurt your wrist. Okay. Australia. So Australia There's a couple of signs for Australia, but this is the one that has been kind of adopted as the one that people start using the most in the last 5 or so years. So you're going to be in your A hand shape here, palms down, and you're going to flick out. Australia. Australia. When I learned this sign a bajillion years ago, I was told it was in reference to the pockets of the kangaroo pockets. But I'm like, okay, sure, whatever. I don't see it, but okay. Okay, so Australia. Here, flick it out. Here, flick it out. Australia. Okay. Antarctica is another continent, is the last continent, and you fingerspell that. Earth. So your non-dominant hand is in the S hand shape, and your dominant hand is in the open 8 hand shape. So this is the 8, open 8 hand shape, okay? You're going to place the middle finger and your thumb on the back of your S hand shape, and you're going to wiggle your hand like this, okay? This is what it looks like. And then this is what the sign looks like. Earth. Earth. Okay? Earth. Open 8 on the back. Shake it. Good. Nation. Leave your non-dominant hand in the S hand shape. Your dominant hand is in the N hand shape. And you circle and tap. Circle, bring it down. Nation. Nation. We learned country a while ago when we learned places. Country, remember country here, or you can see it with the Y hand shape. Country on your elbow, open B hand shape. You can also see it with the Y hand shape on the elbow. Don't get stuck on which one you do. Okay, this is the one I do, but it doesn't mean you have to do it this way. But pick one of them, this one or this one, and this is nation. Okay, so this is a refresher because I've already taught this sign. Nation. I can't teach you all of the country signs today. I only have spots for 4 that I can teach you, but I thought, oh, you know what? Canada and Mexico will probably love to be taught separate because they're included in North America. Okay, so Canada, take your A hand shape and you place it here on your dominant side and you tap your chest softly twice in the A hand shape. This is in reference to the Mounties, the Canadian Mounties uniform. So it's like soldier, right? But it's just one hand here. Canada. We used to grab our shirts and do it. Canada. Canada. Mexico. Both hands are in the X hand shape. Dominant hand is down. Excuse me, not dominant hand is down. Dominant hand is up here at my shoulder, and I bring it down from my shoulder and place it on top of the other X. Mexico. 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 Okay? England, you've got your S hand shape here, and then this is it's not really a shape. You're in the C hand shape. You're curving around your hand like this with your thumb here. England. 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 Okay? Last one, Russia. This is a fun sign. Russia, you go here, flick it away. Boom. Russia. Russia. So you're here at the 1 hand shape, dominant hand under your chin, draw under your chin to the X and flick off to the side. Russia. 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 Now, again, there's a bajillion country signs. If you want to learn more country signs, I know I teach them in the Ultimate Starter course. I teach all 50 states in the Ultimate Starter course, and I do teach quite a bit of country signs in the Ultimate Starter course as well. And you can find those on my site, aslrochelle.com. You can also, if all else fails, fingerspell the country that you want to talk about. Or you can look it up and you'll find the sign that you're looking for, okay? Again, thank you so much for watching. Head to the practice prompt to get a list of the signs you've learned and the activity that goes along with it so you can practice it, remember it, and of course, most importantly, use it when you're signing with other people. All right, come back tomorrow for day 4. We're gonna learn some more outdoor signs, so get excited.